In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access battery section. When you're ready, scroll all the way down. Click on more settings at the bottom and use gray switcher next to high performance mode to activate it. Then hit OK in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, high performance is on. To switch it off, hit the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!